Trevor with Embers here. We're showing off the Marquis Bentley series. There's a lot of new models that came out with this gas fireplace. If you're watching this video, you're probably in the market or researching it for a gas fireplace. I'm gonna break down the model comparisons, what the differences are, all the options that are available for this fireplace, but most importantly, at the end of this video, I'm gonna tell you if this is a fireplace that you should consider or not when you're shopping. So let's start with getting rid of product confusion. If you're like me, you probably researched the heck out of things. There's way too many options, way too many products out there on the market, and it gets confusing. Marquis with the Bentley series, they said, you know what, hold my beer. We're gonna give you way too many options. They did that again. I hate it when brands create too many models or variables because it creates product confusion. Product confusion halts buying because there's too many choices to choose from. It confuses you, the homeowner, and you're like, what in the world do I buy? And then, you know what, I'll just put it on pause because I can't make a decision because there's too many choices. That's what's happening here. Thankfully, you have me. So let's break this down. They have a 34-inch, a 39-inch, and a 42-inch. So we got 3 sizes. That's pretty simple and straightforward, right? Within those 3 sizes, we have 3 different functionality ways to control it. We have a millivolt system. So a millivolt system is the way like the Pilot's controlled, doesn't use any power. Like an old hot water heater, like a spark igniter, you gotta manually spark it. Simplest, easiest to use, most price friendly, kind of comes with the least features. Then from there we have a ProFlame 1 system, which gives you some remote control functionality and an electronic ignition at that point, which some places require electronic ignition. Then from there, we go to a ProFlame 2 system. So the ProFlame 2 system is electronic, has the best handheld remote. From here, it's gonna come with blower and nightlight pre-installed on the unit, so it's gonna come with the most amount of features, and you can control functionality from the remote, control everything from the remote. So that's gonna be the most premium loaded model. Now, you're probably thinking, that's not too bad. That's 9 models, 3 times 3, that's not terrible. So you got 9 configurations. We got one more to tell you about. All the models can be ordered in tempered glass or ceramic glass. So I'll get to that in a minute. Okay, let's try this. So let's just do that. We can do a 34 in a millivolt. And we can do that tempered or ceramic. We could do a 34 in a ProFlame 1, tempered or ceramic. So that'd be 2, so that's 4. Then we can do ProFlame 2 in, or sorry, yeah, 34 in a ProFlame 2, tempered or ceramic. So that's 6 models per size. We got 3 sizes, so that's gonna be 6 per size. So that's gonna be 24 models.
That's 18.
You're right, that's 18. That would be 4 sizes. So, yep, 18. Yep, we're dead on. 18 models. Millivolt, down and dirty. You're pretty much buying that for price. ProFlame 1, I don't see a reason to buy ProFlame 1. I would just jump to ProFlame 2. Well, I guess you could buy ProFlame 1 if you need electronic ignition, but you don't want to pay for blower or nightlight. Usually once you start upgrading it, because you can still buy a blower and a nightlight, you can buy a blower at least extra with ProFlame 1. You can't buy extra with ProFlame 2, it just comes with it. So I would probably go millivolt or ProFlame 2, ideally. Then pick your size. Let's talk some features and then I'll get to the most important feature, which is tempered glass or ceramic. I'll touch on that in a second. So one feature I just discovered, I think this is new in the last few years. I didn't realize this. I was trying to take this front off. So normally you're kind of pulling on a front like this. It normally lifts off. And Alex was saying that he saw some hinges here. And check this out. I didn't put this together. The guys did. How awesome is that? So if you need to get in here and clean the glass or something, that is actually really, really handy. These hinges are hidden away. Now, there are a million different fronts you can order for this. So tons of fronts and options that you can load up. So that's one of the really feature-rich ideas of this fireplace is all the options, ironically. So you can mix and match fronts and faces. You can mix and match a million different panel options and a bunch of different burner options. So we have it tricked out here with the birch logs and the fluted matte panels. You can do like a black reflective panel. You can do 3 or 4 different brick color options as well. You can do oak logs, I think driftwood. There's a birch log set. There's contemporary burners if you wanted like really modern crushed glass. And then you can mix and match that with fronts and finishes. So that's a really cool thing about this product is if you If you're speccing it in a home, you can just spec in the firebox, get your framing dimensions and go to town on that. And then later, you can really get down to the nuts and bolts and picking all the cosmetic finishes that you like. So really like that here. There's a lot of finish options to go with. I'll just show you on the premium unit here. So we have turn down abilities here, so we can affect our flame height from the remote control, turn it up or down. And then I got to get in here and mess with this too. I think I can get this flame looking a little bit taller as well. Every install is different. So depending on your draft or your vent run, we got to get in there and mess with the flame height a little bit. Also, you toggle over, there's your blower controls. We can turn the blower up or down. We got 6 settings there. And then we have night light mode. We can also put it in a thermostat. And then wherever this is sitting is where the thermostat's gonna read from. All right, so a lot of really good functionality with the ProFlame 2 system. Now, let's get to probably the most unique thing about these models is there's not a lot of brands that do this. In fact, I don't know of hardly any that do the same model and offer it in tempered or ceramic glass. What the heck is the difference between a tempered glass model and a ceramic glass model? A tempered glass model is gonna be a price point model. So tempered glass is less heat, more inefficient, and it's the actual piece of glass that's on here. Tempered glass just does not allow as much heat transfer through the glass, so it makes them a lot more inefficient. And at that point, we'd almost say more like a decorative fireplace. We really sell those to contractors, not custom home builders, track home builders, guys that are trying to get real nitty gritty, down and dirty on the price. You probably want a tempered glass unit. If you want to feel any heat at all out of this unit, you need to buy a ceramic glass model. All right, so if you want any sort of performance out of this, do not buy the tempered glass model. If you want it just on price alone, buy the tempered glass. But that's my tip for you, and really not just with this brand, all of our gas fireplaces. If you want any type of good heat, buy something with a ceramic glass front. So they're clearly doing that just for a price point unit to sort of cater to all type of clients. Little tip, some real world experience. If you guys saw my video of me touring my house, this unit was in my house, but the tempered glass unit. So what do you think is the first thing I ripped out? That fireplace. Not because it's a Kingsman Marquis. We love Kingsman Marquis. We ripped it out because it's a tempered unit, and my wife was getting real irritated at the lack of heat. You don't have that with the ceramic glass unit. Can you feel some heat coming out of here?
Oh yeah, definitely.
It's definitely heating better. So you don't have to worry about that with the ceramic unit. But I really like this unit. I love that we have 3 sizes. I love that we have so many interior and exterior options as far as fronts and finishes and logs, so you really are not limited cosmetically to what you want. They also offer a giant big dog, a big 48-inch unit. That's kind of its own beast, but they also offer that as well. We like this unit because it caters to pretty much all homeowners aesthetically. It performs really well, medium priced. It's not the cheapest unit, it's not the most expensive. It's like right in the middle of everything. Really just rock solid. Definitely not our most luxurious fireplace. Definitely not our junkiest fireplace. It sits right in the middle. And that's a sweet spot for a lot of homeowners. So if that's where you're at in the budget realm, just give this one a look. It's also on display in our showroom in the Denver metro area. We're gonna be doing a lot more educational videos on gas fireplaces. Stay tuned for that. We'll see you guys next time.